Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on your computer. First, you will need to purchase the game from a digital storefront such as Steam or GOG. Once purchased, download and install it onto your system. Undertale has very low system requirements, so most modern computers should run it smoothly. After installation, simply launch the game from your library to embark on your unique journey through the underground. It's a simple process to get started. Navigating the world of Undertale is quite straightforward. You will primarily use the arrow keys or WASD to move your character around the map. To interact with non-player characters, examine objects, or progress through dialogue, simply press the Z key or Enter. If you need to access your inventory, check your stats, or save your game, the X key or Shift will open the menu. These 6 basic inputs are all you need to explore the entire game world. Undertale's combat system is unique, blending turn-based actions with bullet-hell dodging. When encountering an enemy, you can choose to fight or act. Selecting Act allows you to interact with enemies in various ways, often leading to the option to spare them without violence. During enemy turns, you must dodge incoming attacks within a small box. Every decision you make, whether to fight or spare, has profound consequences, shaping one of 3 main narrative paths. The underground is filled with fascinating areas to explore, from the snowy forests of Snowdin to the serene beauty of Waterfall and the fiery labs of Hotland. Make sure to speak with every character you encounter. Their dialogue often provides humor, lore, and hints. To save your progress, look for glowing yellow save points scattered across the map. Interacting with these points will record your current game state, ensuring you can always pick up right where you left off on your incredible journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.